Ever feel like you're juggling flaming torches while riding a unicycle when payday rolls around? Between tracking hours, calculating taxes, and ensuring everyone gets paid correctly, payroll can feel less like a business necessity and more like a high-wire act. If that resonates, you're definitely in the right place. We all know QuickBooks is that trusty sidekick for managing your business finances. But did you know it can also take huge weight off your shoulders when it comes to paying your team? That's right, we're diving deep into QuickBooks Payroll today, unraveling how it works and showing you how it can transform your payroll process from a stressful chore into a streamlined operation. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's paint a quick picture. Imagine a small business owner. Let's call her Sarah. Sarah runs a thriving online boutique with a handful of employees. Initially, she handled payroll manually, spreadsheets, tax tables downloaded from government websites, the works. It was time-consuming, prone to errors, and honestly, kept her up at night worrying about compliance. Sound familiar? Then Sarah discovered QuickBooks Payroll. Suddenly, things started to look a whole lot brighter. What was once a multi-step, anxiety-inducing process became, well, simpler. And that's the core promise of QuickBooks Payroll, to take the complexity out of paying your employees. So, how does it actually work? Let's break it down into key stages and features. First things first, employee setup. Just like adding a new customer or vendor in QuickBooks, you'll need to input your employee information. This isn't just about names and addresses. QuickBooks Payroll needs crucial details like their social security number or equivalent, date of birth, hire date, pay rate, hourly or salary, and their W-4 information or its equivalent in your region. This initial setup is vital because it forms the foundation for all subsequent payroll calculations and tax filings. Think of it as building your payroll database. Accurate input here saves headaches down the line. Once your employees are in the system, the next step is time tracking. How your employees' hours are recorded and managed feeds directly into payroll. QuickBooks Payroll offers several options here. If you're already using QuickBooks Time, formerly T-Sheets, the integration is seamless. Employees can clock in and out via a web browser, mobile app, or even a kiosk, and those hours float directly into your payroll system. Even without QuickBooks Time, you can manually enter hours worked for each employee within the payroll module. This flexibility allows businesses with different needs and structures to accurately track the time that needs to be paid. Now for the heart of the matter, calculating payroll. This is where QuickBooks Payroll really shines. Once you've entered or imported the hours, the system automatically calculates gross pay based on the employee's pay rate. But it doesn't stop there. It then dives into the often confusing world of deductions. This includes federal, state, and local income taxes, Social Security and Medicare taxes or their equivalents, as well as any pre-tax deductions like health insurance premiums or retirement contributions. The beauty here is the automation. QuickBooks Payroll uses up-to-date tax tables and regulations, so you don't have to manually look them up and calculate them. This significantly reduces the risk of errors and ensures compliance with the ever-changing tax laws. It essentially takes the guesswork out of withholding the correct amounts. Next up, running payroll. Once you've reviewed the calculated paychecks and everything looks accurate, it's time to run payroll. With QuickBooks Payroll, you have options for how your employees get paid. You can set up direct deposit, which electronically transfers funds directly into your employees' bank accounts, convenient and secure method. Alternatively, you can print paper checks directly from QuickBooks if that better suits your or your employees' needs. The system keeps a detailed record of each payroll run, providing you with an audit trail for your records. But payroll isn't just about paying your employees. There's also the crucial aspect of tax filing and payments. This is often a major source of stress for business owners. QuickBooks Payroll aims to alleviate this by handling much of the process for you. Depending on your chosen plan, QuickBooks can automatically calculate, pay, and file your federal and state payroll taxes. This includes forms like Form 941, Employer's Quarterly Federal Tax Return, W-2's Wage and Tax Statement for Employees, and 1099 NEC for independent contractors if applicable through the system. Imagine the time and effort saved by not having to manually fill out these forms and remember payment deadlines. This feature alone can be a game changer, significantly reducing the risk of penalties for late filings or incorrect payments. Beyond the core functions, QuickBooks Payroll often comes with additional features that can further streamline your HR and payroll processes. These might include employee portals. These self-service portals allow employees to access their pay stubs, W-2s, and other important payroll information online, reducing the need for you to handle these requests individually. Benefits administration integration. Some versions of QuickBooks Payroll integrate with benefits providers, allowing you to manage employee benefits like health insurance and retirement plans directly within the platform. HR support. Certain plans may offer access to HR resources, templates, and even advice on common HR issues. Reporting. QuickBooks Payroll provides a range of reports, giving you insights into your labor costs, tax liabilities, and other important payroll-related data. This can be invaluable for financial planning and decision-making. Integration with other QuickBooks features. As you might expect, QuickBooks Payroll seamlessly integrates with other QuickBooks Online or desktop features. This means your payroll expenses are automatically recorded in your general ledger, providing a holistic view of your business finances. Now, it's important to note that QuickBooks Payroll comes in different tiers, often with varying features and pricing. The best option for your business will depend on factors like the number of employees you have, the complexity of your payroll needs, and whether you want features like automatic tax filing. It's worth exploring the different plans to find one that aligns with your specific requirements and budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.